Hello and good evening, and welcome to Logos College Online Learning. This is Pronunciation 2, and this is going to be the first time that we're doing a Google Meet, and I am going to be recording this session, and just in case there's students that can't make it to the online session, you can watch the videos and then you can do your homework also. Okay. Hello, good evening. As you can see, your classmates are joining. Admit. Hi guys, how are you? Class starts in about 4 minutes. Make sure you're answering your question. Make sure you're answering your attendance question, please. Hello, welcome everybody. How's your day? You have a good day?
Yes.
Yeah, good day.
Yeah. What'd you guys do?
I just had a vaccine today.
Nice. Good job.
Yay! And how about you? Do you get it?
Yeah, I got AstraZeneca, and I take it again in the first week of July is my second shot.
Oh, I take a second shot at 16 up up July.
Yeah.
Oh,
Means
did you shot AstraZeneca?
Yeah, I took AstraZeneca because I'm old.
Oh, Uh, other people say it's very strong, so a lot of people
Yeah.
prefer to shot Sinopharm is Chinese vaccine, right?
Yeah, Sinopharm.
Yeah,
like
Sinopharm.
You're not supposed to. You have to be at least 40 years old to take the AstraZeneca.
oh
Yeah, sadly, I qualify. Sadly, I can take the AstraZeneca.
yeah, sad for you.
You guys will be there one day. You guys will all be there one day.
Yeah, 14, 14 to 40.
Has everybody? Who's trying to join? Who's trying to join? Who is this? Davan? Panmala? So how have your classes been going with the online this week? Okay? Not okay?
Kinda good.
Last
Kinda good.
night.
You can chat here, and then you can ask me a question. Anything. Oh, Novus, how are you?
Are you done, right?
Good. All right, let me turn the light on, and then we can start.
So how is it going, Teacher Toto?
It's good. I teach all day. I talk a lot. I'm gonna lose my voice before the end of this before this is over. 2 more weeks, 2.5 more weeks of online learning. And then I don't know if I don't know yet about your final exam. We're still talking, we're still discussing things. Okay, we got a lot of people here. I want to go ahead and get started, okay? So make sure everybody mutes. You got to mute your microphone. Admit all, admit all. Mute your
Evening,
mic,
teacher.
please. Hello. Just in
Hi.
time for me to say mute your microphone.
Yes.
You just made it right on time.
Thank you.
All right. Let's get started, okay? I'm
Okay.
going to present
Start
this
right.
screen.
Yes.
And before we do Unit 18, I want to show everything that I gave to you today. All right. So this is your classroom thread. This is your stream. I uploaded the slideshow and audio right here. This is for Unit 18. So we don't have enough time. I don't have enough time to do everything I want to do with you, like in the classroom, right? So I gave you audio for the sound pairs 19 and sound pair 20 in the back of your book if you would like more practice and exercise. So that's for you. And this is a slide that I use just like if we were in the classroom, okay? Another thing you have is, if you didn't know, Logos College has a YouTube channel. And if you subscribe, or you don't have, I would like you to subscribe. And this has playlist of the videos from last year's online learning. Right? I haven't had a chance to upload all the videos from this year yet. I'm going to, so you can access all of the online learning on the Logos College YouTube channel. And then also, there's channels here that I think are helpful for you guys. Sounds American is the one I like to use, and Rachel's English is very good also, and the English Language Club. This one is a British IPA, and then she's American, I'm sorry, and then they are also American IPA. Okay. All right, let's get started. This is Unit 18, and this is page 44 in your book. And this unit is there's 3 vowel sounds in this unit. And 2 of them are very short sounds, and the other one is a long sound. All right? So the first sound we're going to talk about is this symbol right here. It looks like an upside down V. All right? And this sound is as in the word up, and money, cut. The next sound we're going to learn is up here. It looks like a horseshoe, like an upside down omega. And this sound is the sound ooh, as in good, and put, and should. And the last sound we'll talk about today, it's over here, and this is a very long sound, right? And this sound is a sound ooh. Right. As in the word moon, and grew, and through. Right? So today we have 3 vowel sounds. Here, this is a picture of your foot. All right, this is foot, and foot has the ooh sound. All right, as in good and put. This, of course, is a shoe, and the word shoe has the ooh sound, and this looks like the letter U with the 2 dots behind it. Right? Other words are shoot and rude. Right? And this is your blood, right? And the word blood has the sound over here. Looks like the upside down V, as in the word blood and luck. Right? So first, let's take a look at And is a very easy sound to make. To make the sound as in the word us. Right. You'll also find it in the words but, come, young, and flood. So this sound is only in about 5% of other languages. And there's a sound very similar to it in Lao, in the Lao language, but it's not the same. So be careful. And this sound is a central vowel, and I'll explain to you why. So this sound, look at your mouth. Look at this arrow right here. So you open your mouth a little bit, not a lot. All right. Actually, you open your mouth about medium, halfway. Not like but And your tongue is kind of in the middle of your mouth, in the center, right here. And the center of your tongue is where you should focus the movement of your tongue on. So in this diagram here.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Your microphone doesn't work.
Huh?
It doesn't work.
Really?
Your sound is low.
Yeah.
All right, hold on. Now? No?
No.
I think your mic is broken. No?
How about now?
Not work.
Now?
Yeah.
Yeah, work. Not work.
Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. All right, so let's go to Let me go back. So this is the as in us. But, come, young, and flood all have the sound. Right? And this sound, so this is before. This is before making the sound on this side over here. And here's during and after. Right? So notice what happens. Your lips and jaw are first relaxed, all right? Then the back of your tongue is down. This is the back of your tongue is down, and then the center of your tongue stays up. So this is why it's called a central vowel, because the center of your tongue, the middle, right here, is where you should focus your tongue movement on when you make the sound. And again, notice your tongue is touching nothing in your mouth. And this is true for most vowels, that your tongue really doesn't touch anything in your mouth. And another thing you should notice is your throat. Most vowels, all right, are voiced sounds. So a voice has to come from your throat. Let's look at the front of the mouth. So this is the front of the mouth when you make the sound. And you notice it says your jaw drops. So here's your jaw in purple, in the purple color. This is your jaw right here. And it drops a little bit. Right? And then your mouth opens slightly, which means a little. So both your jaw drops and your mouth opens slightly, not a lot, a little bit. So when you say the word stuff, right, when you make the sound, this is what the front of your mouth should look like. Words, I'm going to go from top and go down to the bottom. Again, this is a very short sound when you make this sound, right? This word is bud, bug, bulb, bulk, bum, bump, bun, bunch, bundle. So the spelling of this sound, all three of these sounds today are mainly going to be spelled with the letter U, the letter U. The sound is 78% of the time is spelled with the letter U, as in the word but. The next highest percentage is the letter O, as in the word come. And the next ones aren't too much, but these are words that you know, OU as in young, and double O as in flood. So this is at the very top of your Unit 18 on page 44. And I want you to read this paragraph carefully right here. It says, when you say the letters of the alphabet, the letter U has the long vowel sound, as in you. Right? You also hear the U sound, the word June, but the U, the letter U, is also pronounced as a short vowel sounds, and U, as in the word sun and full. So is a short vowel sound. Okay, let's take a look at these words, your target words here. I'm going to say these words from left. I'm going to go here, middle, and then to the right, so you can hear the difference between the sounds. All right? Shoot, shut, shirt. Match, much, march. I'm going to do that again because this one is very close, right? Match, much, march. Look, luck, lock. Look, luck, lock. All these words over here all have the sound. Come, blood, cut, young, does, must. All right. Who are this coming in? Late. Okay, next sound. Is it also another short vowel sound? And this sounds like this. Ooh, as in the word put. Put. And it looks like an upside down horseshoe, like it looks like a horseshoe. It's like an upside down omega sign. You'll find this sound in the words push. So if you say the sound ooh and then push, it'll help you because these sounds, these two sounds are very similar, right? Ooh, book. Ooh, woof, woof. Ooh, could. Okay, so this sound that we're focusing on right now is over here. The ooh, as in fool, fool. Over here, this is the long sound. This is a ooh, fool, fool. Fool. Here, this is the ooh, fool, fool. Here, this is the ooh, fool. So to make the ooh sound, this is not like that was a central vowel. The ooh sound is a back vowel. And it's a back vowel because look at your tongue, right? The sound, you want to tense your tongue, your tongue moves backwards. This is why it's a back vowel. And your mouth opens quite a bit and you kind of make a round shape. Let's take a look at the side of her face. So before is relaxed, your mouth is shut. All right, look at your tongue before you make this sound. Then what happens? Your lips go forward a little bit, all right? Your jaw goes up, ooh. And then the back of your tongue, right here, is up. As in this illustration shows, when you make the ooh sound, make sure that the back of your tongue is up. And this is a voiced sound. Notice the front of her tongue is almost touching the back of the bottom teeth. So the back of your tongue goes up. The front of your tongue is very close to touching the back of your bottom teeth down here. I'm sorry, yeah, the back of your bottom teeth. As in this picture shows right here. Let's look at the front of your face. So this is the ooh sound. And your lips are rounded a little. Right? That's what it means by rounded. And this is the ooh sound. It's not rounded a lot, not like the W sound, right? Not like the W or the O sound. It's rounded a little bit. Let's take a look at this word. The word is took. Took. Notice, again, your lips are rounded a little. Let's take a look at this word. Goodbye. Goodbye. All right. And all three words, all right, your lips make almost a full, complete circle. All right. Goodbye. You find the ooh sound in the words could, crook, foot, fool, good, hood, hoof, hook, look. Let's take a look at this word. So you have your IPA, and the first sound is b. Next sound is ooh. And the final sound is k. So this word is book. Another word you should all know. All right, the first sound, g, ooh, d. The word is good. Next sound. First sound is a stop consonant. Is the p. Ooh, sh, t. And you get the word pushed. All right. Let's look at how you spell this sound. Again, you spell this sound mainly with the letter U. The letter U, as in put. Here, though, the letter double O. The double O is very popular here to make the ooh sound, as in the word book. And then the letter O and OU, very small amount, all right, about 10%. This woof, and this word is could. All right, so this is part B in your book, and I'm going to say these words over here so you could hear the target sound, which is ooh. All right. luck, look, Luke, luck, look, Luke, pool, pull, paw. This sounds very, very similar. Pool, pull, paw. You have to remember the oo sound is very, very short sound. It's a short sound. Right? Full, full, good, foot, wolf, wood, put. Another word that's popular is the word cook. As in this sentence, it says the cook couldn't cook if he didn't look at a cookbook. And if you notice, the double O is very, very, very common. The double O usually spells the oo sound. All right, let's take a look at this sound. This is part C. And this sound is a long, long sound. Right? If you remember these dots, these two dots behind a phoneme means that the sound is a long sound, right? And this phoneme sounds like ooh, ooh, as in the word blue, blue. Other words that have the ooh, ooh sound: rule, to, do, new. The sound is pretty easy to make, but sometimes it's very hard. So this is the long ooh sound. This is the short ooh sound. Right? So the long sound, you say pool, pool. Here you say pull, pull, pool, pull, pull. Let's take a look at this sound. This is also a back vowel because if you notice your tongue, the back of your tongue is where you focus the tension on. And let's look at the side of her face. This is before. All right, the back of her tongue is relaxed. And then when you make the sound, the tongue, back of tongue is up. All right, jaw goes up and your lips go forward. And again, the front of the tongue forward. It might be touching the back of the bottom front teeth. It could touch. Right? When you make the ooh sound, ooh. Let's look at the front of your mouth. Notice how tight of the circle it is. Your lips are very well rounded in a tight circle. The lips are forward and the jaw is up. Ooh. As in the word do, do. Other words that have the ooh sound: chew, choose, cool, crew, do. This is also do. Doom. This is also pronounced do. And then the word flu. Remember, this is a long vowel sound. Let's take a look at this word. All right. You have the first sound, consonant sound. Ooh, duh. I'm pretty sure you can guess that this is the word food. Okay. Next one. Oot. And I'm sure you can guess this is fruit. There you go. And then we'll do one more. First sound. This is the j, j sound, and then the oo and the s. You have juice, as in fruit juice. So this sound, again, is very commonly spelled with the letter U, right? As in the word rule. Next, you have double O is very common, two. Right. Then other ones, O-E-W, right? New. Other words with EW are like few, right? And view. Then OU as in the word soup, soup. So let's take a look at the long vowel sound, the U sound, right? And the target sound is in the middle, right? This word over here, full, fool, fall. Again, full, fool, fall. Road, rude, rod. Road, rude, rod. But, boot, boat. But, boot, boat. Other examples that have the oo sound, shoe, shoes, shoot, new, lose, soup. So remember the difference between, a big difference between British English and American English, that the sound y, the British like to put the y in front of the oo sound. It sounds like you, as in the word news, right? And the word tune. Where in American English, they really don't like to put the y sound. It just sounds like news and tune. So it's up to you. It's up to you of what. It's not wrong. If you like the British accent, you can always put the y sound in front of the oo sound and still be okay. People will still understand you. Who is trying to come in? All right. So that was page 44. Does anyone have a question about that lesson before I take a look at your homework, or before I take a look at some of the exercises? Okay. Our time here, how much time we got left? All right, we got 10 minutes. This is your first exercise, 18.1. To save time, I answered it for you. All right, all your answers are here. And I want to read it to you so that you can hear the difference between sounds. All right. And they want you to put number 1 if it's the sound, and number 2 if it's the oo sound. I'm going to read this whole thing for you. I studied English at a school in London last summer. I was there for 2 months, May and June. England is famous for bad food and weather, but I thought the food was good. The pub lunches were very nice. But it's true about the weather. Too much rain for me. Okay. So I hope you were able to hear the difference between the and the oo sound there. Your next exercise, this is the same thing as this guy was saying up here, right? And then they just want you to put the words here. If you want to do that, you can, but they're the same words. All right, the sound is on the left, the oo sound is on the right. I want to take a look at exercise 18.3 with you. So this one, they want you to circle the word that has a different vowel sound. All right. And this sound, for example, foot, look, blood, push. And you circle blood because this has the sound. The other ones have the ooh sound. Number 1, soon, book, boot, room. And you circle book because it has the ooh sound, and these have the ooh sound, right? Number 2, rude, luck, run, but. Right. Your answer is rude. Number 3, shoes, does, true, blue. So does has the sound, where the rest of them have the ooh sound. Number 4, pull, full, put, rule. So that one is very difficult. Let me read it again. Pull, full, put, rule. So this has the ooh, while the other ones have the ooh. Number 5, good, could, would, shoulder. So that was pretty clear that this word right here has the O sound, shoulder. Number 6, done, move, love, sun. All right, this has the ooh sound, and the other ones have the done, love, sun. Number 7, south, young, couple, one. Right, so all these have the sound, and number 7, or this word has a sound I haven't taught you yet, but it's the ow sound, south. So that's why we choose that word. Okay. This is exercise before it, 18.2. You can do this on your own. I gave you the answers here. They would like you to find the words up here in the box that have these sounds. Okay. And then this listening exercise, I'm gonna upload the audio. I forgot to upload this audio along with the sound pairs. I'll upload this audio for you, just in case you want to listen to it and then try to do the exercise, okay? But either way, all these answers are in the back of your book for you. Okay. So that's Unit 18. All right. Your homework is scheduled for 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. It won't be released until 9 o'clock. And it's going to be on Unit 18. There won't be any listening this time, but there will be some more where I give you the IPA, and then you have to pick what is the word. Right? And you have until Monday to finish this exercise. Okay. So does anybody have any questions about Unit 18 there? No questions.
No question. Thank you, teacher.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher.
Some of you haven't done, if you haven't done your homework and you want to still do it, you can send me a message and I can send you the form again. I know some of you are, I don't know, maybe you forget or you're busy. All right? So what I'm going to do is, here, I'm also going to upload, I'm recording this video right now. I'm also going to upload the video right here, so then you can watch it again just in case you would like something you didn't understand or you would like to practice your pronunciation. Okay, no questions. Has everybody answered your classroom, your attendance question? What is this? So I give you until 6:30. There's still some people that haven't done it. Make sure you go into it. I give you until 6:30 to do it. And you just do it. You get full credit, like so. Okay? I'll finish doing this later, and then I'll record and send it back to everybody. So don't worry if I didn't do your name right there. All right. Any questions?
No.
No question.
No question.
Oh, mute. Oh, look.
What happened?
That's what happens when if you're in the same room, if there's people in the same room together, and then you turn on your mic, you'll get feedback, and it'll just do that. Okay. Okay. You don't have any questions? I'm gonna prepare for my next class, eh? Oh my gosh, go. Tiger just joined. Go. What time does class start?
I'm so sorry.
It's all right. It's all right. Okay.
Just wake up.
Just woke up. Oh man. Oh man. Better late than never. Okay, go answer your attendance question, okay? All right, guys. Well, we'll see you. Send me a question. Send me a message. You have any questions, okay?
Okay.
All right, bye guys.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, we get it.
Bye.
See you.
Have a good night.
See ya.
Okay, bye, teacher.
Enjoy your dinner. Enjoy your dinner. Bye, guys.
Thank you, teacher.
Yes, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so that was unit 18, and again, make sure you go in there, do your homework. I give you 5 days, and if you have any questions, please send me a message using WhatsApp or the Google Classroom stream or just an email. All right, guys, thank you, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.